Now, track fans, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Now, let's talk about Briana Williams because a lot of you seems to forget about this superstar from Jamaica. Well, in case you don't know, Briana Williams was once a gold medalist in Olympic Tokyo 2020. Now, what happened to Briana Williams that she suddenly went from performing very well to performing very poorly? If you are truly a track fan, then you definitely know that Brian Williams has been reducing in performing constantly in her athletics performance. So what is the reason? Could it be that the reason why she is no longer performing is probably because she changed her coach? Because we know that she is no longer training with her former and first coach from USA. Could that be the reason why Brian Williams is not performing? A lot of Jamaicans are raising concern about Brian Williams because they truly care about her. They refer to Brian Williams as the goddess of beauty in Jamaican athletics. And it is so sad that a lot of Jamaicans are very troubled and concerned about Brian Williams not performing in athletics. Recently, she left a training center that, but a lot of people do not actually feel it's actually bad because they believe it's her choice and she knows what she wants and what she needs to do. So a lot of people feel like she leaving her former coach is not bad, and she leaving the current training center is not bad.